Most AI video generation tools or apps usually make you run out of credits very fast, and that's pretty inconvenient if you don't want to end up spending hundreds of dollars on credits and generate a lot of videos. Well, today we're going to be talking about DomoAI, which is literally changing that by providing free video generation with their plan, which provides insane value overall. When we jump into their website, we can already see that we have a very clean interface. It's very easy to use and you cannot get lost. We have a lot of quick apps which are their main focus. If we see all of them, we can see that we have image to video, we have text to video, we have frames to video, we have talking avatars, we have video to anime. And this one has recently been trending on TikTok a lot. Basically how it works is you just click and drop a video and you type in your prompt. For example, make my face look like the Japanese anime model, and then you click the duration for the video, you click the aspect ratio, and then you simply click generate and you have your video generated. So you can understand that these apps do exactly what they say, right? Text to video, basically you write out the text and it turns out into your video. They have text to speech, basically turns your text into an AI voice, and you can use all of these apps again very conveniently and very easily. Now the main focus and one of the best apps that they have in my opinion is frames to video. What does it do? Well basically you upload 2 to 8 keyframes and DomoAI fills in the motion. This is unique to DomoAI only. Competitors can't do it as cleanly as DomoAI does it. So I've selected two assets. I've selected a cube and then I've selected the cube being carved out into the dice. Now let's do our prompt. Basically what I want it to do is to turn the cube into the dice by showing a clean transition between the two keyframes. I want it to have a smooth flow and have the camera rotate around the y-axis. Now let's do our duration. So for example, we will set it for 3 seconds. Ratio, we can do it for 1:1, or we can keep it at auto, and then we can click generate. As you can see, it's starting to generate the video, so it won't take long. It'll take up to a minute. And while we are waiting for the results to come in, let's check out their pricing. So their pricing is the reason why I'm in love with DomoAI so much, because as you can see, we have the yearly plan, which offers us a 30% off. The standard plan gives us 15,000 credits per month, just 0.01 free cents per credit, 15,000 images or 300 videos approximately, and the main focus is that we have unlimited generations in relax mode and unlimited Nana Banana Pro in relax mode. If we take a look at Runway, which is their competitor, you can see that we have no such thing. We have $28 per month for their pro plan, and of course we have some of their own benefits, but it does not, in my opinion, exceed the value of having unlimited generations in relax mode and unlimited Nano Banana Pro in relax mode. This, in my opinion, is what is worth the most. Also, while we're waiting on this to finish generating, I just quickly want to showcase you guys that they do have hundreds of templates which you can choose from. If, for example, you want your video to be turned into a 3D cartoon, if you want it to be turned into Grand Theft game, if you want it turned into Dark Fantasy, I mean, you can choose the template and it will do it for you. And most of these templates are the ones you see being trending on TikTok. Yeah, so you can choose between the models. Just select again the template you want to use. Again, drop in the video, describe the prompt, and you will see it happen. But now, as for the results of our video that we generated, as you can see here, we have a clean transition where the cube is slowly turning into the dice by showcasing a clean transition, and we have the camera rotating around the y-axis. So of course it does exactly what we want it to do. Now as for the watermark, you can already understand it that it's there because I don't have a plan as of yet on this account. If you want it gone, you will need to upgrade to a plan and you'll have your watermark removed. But again, the value that they're offering, in my opinion, is definitely worthwhile. But again, very easy to do. You can choose, you can generate multiple times, you can regenerate, you can generate character to video, video to video, you can generate a talking avatar, you can upscale the video if you want to 4K. I mean, the options are endless, and in my opinion, DomoAI is just one of the best go-to video generating apps that you can find. So that's about it for the video. Let me know what you think about DomoAI. Let me know what you think about its value. Do you think they're too expensive, or do you think that they're worthwhile what they're asking. In my opinion, they're very convenient, they're very easy to use, and they do offer a lot of value, but I want to know what you guys think. But anyways, as always, thanks for tuning in to No More Videos, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next one.